Fintech World invites you to the Tokenomics 101 and Cryptocurrency Conference and Workshop. The event is at the Harvard Club in New York City on February 7th. Well, Fintech World is an online platform. It features pertinent articles, video, and conference events on recent issues and directions in the financial technology industry. It publishes the latest news and expert views in the space as well. Well, Fintech World has other conferences also. Those include the second annual West Funding Conference in Los Angeles. That's on March 5th. Also the Silicon Valley Fintech Expo on March 24th, the Fintech World Euro Summit in London on April 4th, and the 5th Annual Crowdfunding USA Conference in Washington, D.C. on October 4th and 5th of 2018. For more information on Fintech World and the conferences, you can go to fintechworld.com.